Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add text background in Photoshop. So let's started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see, now going to the text tool option. Now click from text tool. Now going to the text size option. Now select from text size. Now click. Now type your text. Now keyboard press enter. Now going to the move tool option and move the text and resize your text. Now we can say add text background. Now going to the shape option. Now select from click from mouse right button. Now click from rectangle tool option. Now draw a rectangle tool. Now select from double click from layer and rectangle. Now select from color, then click OK. Now going to the layer menu option, then up and down in the layer. That it's. Now you can see add text background in Photoshop document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.